Now that we've created our website, I want you to populate it with web pages. So from your home page, and if you are forgetting how to get there, always go to sites.google.com. You want to go to your site here, so let's go to mine. You need to create a web page. That's going to be accessed up here in this menu, right here, Create Page. So when you get to the Create Page menu, it'll ask you to name the page. First thing I want you to do is create a page for each one of your classes. So let's do period 1 conference for me. And the template is going to be the same, and let's just keep it like that. We're going to keep it under the main menu. Let's create another one. And once you create this page, you can make all your modifications to it. It'll automatically open for editing. This is my first period class. I have conference. I'd like you to fill out the same thing for each one of your classes and tell me about the teacher, what you're learning, various information that you think would be helpful for me. You hit save to make your changes. And there you go, it's saved. If you want to edit it again, you just have to hit edit page and it'll allow you to edit. So let's create one more. Create page. Period 2. Period 2. And period 2 is Honors Chemistry B. You can change the URL here if you don't like it, but I think that's a little particular. You don't need that. For all these other options, you want to just use the same template and put the page at the top level. Don't make it a sub-page for anything. And we've created that next page. Now, in order to access, to begin, it gives you a side navigation bar. So if I was to go to my front page, I have access to this navigation bar right here, and it's going to auto-populate all of these with every web page you make. But sometimes you don't want all your web pages shown in one bar. If that's the case, you want to go to right here, More Actions, Edit Site Layout. If you're going to be changing your navigation bar, you can modify this navigation bar. So let's say we didn't want it to auto-populate with all of the stuff that we had just made. We would change it from automatically organize my navigation. And now that it's not automatically organizing, it's not automatically populating it, you have to manually add pages in to this sidebar. And then you can move them around. So let's do add both of these in here. Let's not include the link to the sitemap on that particular navigation bar. The sitemap is a page that gives you reference to all the other pages on your website. So if you're trying to hide something or you don't want that to be shown, we can click that out. So display title. Well, in this case, I want this to be all my classes. So let's name this classes. And there you go. That's now my classes sidebar. If I want to add another sidebar, and you will, you're going to have to make multiple sidebars for this project, you hit the add button and you can choose the different sidebars that you want to put in. What I would like to put in is one navigation bar, similar to the one we had before. Let's make sure that it doesn't auto-populate, so let's uncheck that. And let's name this one chemicals, because this is chemistry, and we're going to populate a bunch of individual pages with various chemicals. So that's how you make various sidebars. You can also have a horizontal bar at the top that would include pages, and that one you could also edit manually, but I'm not requiring that right now.